You won't need a mold or an oven to make this delicious cake. First, break an egg into a bowl and 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Then with a whisk we'll beat. Then I'll add 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla, 1/4 of a cup of oil, and we'll beat again for a minute. 2/3 of a cup of wheat flour. Also add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of baking soda. Then sift the flour. Then add 1/4 of a glass of milk. And now add a teaspoon of baking powder. Then take a frying pan. Add olive oil and brush it on. Now open a can of peaches. Then add the cake batter here on top of the peaches. I've put a rack here inside this pan, and I'm going to put the cake pan here on top. Add a little water from time to time, then turn it over using a plate. Leave it for another 8 minutes over a low heat. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next video, bye-bye.